How to clear Safari cache on iPhone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple channel.
In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to clear cache on Safari. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the setting app on your iPhone and scroll down. Once you find Safari, tap on it and scroll down. Click on Advanced. Here you can see website data. Tap on it. Here there is nothing because I have already cleared my cache. But when you scroll down, you can see remove all website data on your iPhone. Click on it. Now confirm the remove now. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in this comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video.